Hello everyone, did you join us on the Boost Your Bitcoin Assets Zoom session today? If you missed it, no worries, because I wanted to make sure you didn't miss any of the great content. So I'm kicking off this follow-up right here, right now. So we've got fresh chart analysis ready, so let's dive in and find those perfect entry points. So today we have this one, Chainlink. We have a strong double L signal on the smart chart. The RSI currently is showing L. The chart look for entries below 13.79 and ideally near the current Goya line. Now let's mark that price. But I know for a lot of people, the question isn't just about what to buy, it's why any of this really matters. Let's take a step back and talk about where crypto really fits into our future. So let's take a step back. Actually, let me take you back about 30 years. Back then, credit cards weren't a given. Most people didn't have one. In fact, for a long time, people were very skeptical. It wasn't familiar, even scary. People didn't know how to use it. They didn't trust the system, and honestly, it felt risky. But over time, we learned, we figured out how to swipe, how to pay bills, how to build credit. And now almost every adult has at least one card, often more, and we use them for everything without a second thought. Crypto today is exactly where credit cards were back then. It still feels complicated, and most people don't really understand how it works, but it's not because it doesn't work. It's just new. Once you take the time to learn how to use it, how wallets work, how blockchain records value, how you can protect your assets, you'll look back and wonder how you ever managed without it. Just like we moved from cash to cards, we're now moving from banks to blockchain, and this shift is already happening. And it's not too late. According to this study, 65% of investors say they plan to buy digital assets in the future, showing major institutional interest. And this Harvard Business Review compared blockchain to TCP/IP, saying it will become as fundamental to finance as the internet protocol was to communication networks. People think crypto is complicated, and I could really agree to that because even big whales like James Wynn got his 240 bitcoins liquidated. And that's exactly why we use EX. Because in a market that moves fast, sometimes irrationally, you need more than just instincts or opinions. You need something objective, something calculated, something that doesn't get emotional when the candles turn red. And EX is just that. It's AI powered and data driven. It looks at the market not with feelings, but with formulas, constantly analyzing patterns, volume shifts, and volatility in real time. Now, what you get is a set of signals. Like the double L or the L3 here, which helps identify momentum shifts. And there are more indicators that give you trend directions and key support zones, as well as RSI signals to catch overbought or oversold conditions, and you see it all come together clearly on the chart. Like this double S signal here and the dip that followed after. So when I say this coin has a setup, it's not because I feel good about it. It's because EX told me and the charts told me through data and not emotion. The power of EX gives us a clear map of where price might go and where risk lives. But of course, no signals guarantee instant profit. So let's go back to the Chainlink chart and look at the 5 minutes candlestick chart. So we can see that the price actually bounced from 13.77. And if you're not in profit yet, that is fine. Markets don't move in straight lines. And this is, again, the 5 minutes candlestick chart. And I'm going to keep watching the chart live. But if you're not subscribed, here's what we suggest. Let's look at the premium channel, where you can get the take profit and stop loss suggestions. So here, according to the premium channel, the suggested stop loss, also remember to split them. So the first stop loss should be around 13.53 and the second one around 12.633. And for take profits, it's 14.07 for the first take profit, and the next one around 14.46. Now, with EX, we can all trade with clarity, backed by logic and a plan, not emotions. So thanks for tuning in today. I hope this summary was helpful, and do keep an eye out, and I'll catch you on the chart again soon.